little money is a way out for parents. As a parent myself, I can relate. Finding childcare today in US, in Canada, in Europe, it's very hard. First off, it's expensive. And then second of all, it takes a lot of time to find a good childcare provider. So with this platform, we've cut that process short, both in time and in money. And guess what? We've increased the quality of service because we're not just finding anybody. Okay, we work with people who are known in the community as good babysitters and good childcare providers. So yeah, babysitter is definitely something that parents should consider for their babysitting and childcare needs. When my wife gave birth to our first son, we had to make that choice between going back to work. She had to make that choice between going back to work or taking care of the baby. And we found out that it was actually very hard to get the right babysitter for the right schedule. Even talking about the prices and stuff, we had to interview like 15 babysitters. I think like 15 or 13 babysitters. And the process was really, really hard to actually get a babysitter. So that's how we came up with this idea. That's how I started working on an application to overcome that challenge. You can hire for as little as 15 minutes and pay for 15 minutes. You can hire for 1 hour, 2 hours, a whole day. You can even hire overnight. Okay, so we don't have a restriction on how many hours that you have to hire the babysitter for. After 2 years, we have a patent on the product, okay, a provisional patent on the product, and we're ready to roll out. Okay, and we're launching in 2 months, so July. The difference is with those particular platforms, you have to actually talk to the babysitter, chat with them on the prices and stuff. We don't do that. We don't want to put parents through that stress of start arguing prices with somebody, and then when you disagree, you have to look for somebody else. And sometimes they require you to sign up and pay a sign-up fee before you get started. And we don't do that. The sign-up is free for the parent and for the babysitter.